Evan, tell me a little bit about how this track came together and what you guys exactly do around here.
Well, a couple guys came around and just wanted to get together, and then that's how it all starts.
What kind of people do come out? What kind of ages do you see come out? And who would you encourage to actually come out and participate?
Anybody, all ages, 3 and up, 60-year-olds, 7-year-olds, you name it. We come out here 6 to 8 p.m. every Thursday. We do have some cars that you could try out, and if you just want to come and do a couple laps every Thursday, we'll have a couple trucks sitting out.
So, what you're saying is, I can try a car.
Yeah.
Watch this.